Assalamualaikum and good day. Our topic is TPC/IP models. TPC/IP models, the basis for internet connection. TPC ensuring reliable transmission through packet, numbering and requiring and routing of data. Packets. The TPC/IP models has 4 layers. The first layers is application layers. The application layers specified shared communication protocol and interface method using by host and communication networks. An applied layer, abstract and specific in both internet protocols, set at TPC/IP and OS models. Ang application model ay nagbibigay ng mga protocol o interface para sa mga application at serbisyo ng network upang magkausap ang mga device at application sa isa't isa. The second layer is transport layer. Ang transport layer ay open system interconnection. It is the responsible to ensuring data packets arriving currently and reliable between sender and receiver. The transport layer must often using TCP or UDP diagram protocol o UDP. Ang transport layer ay host-to-host communication group at protocol. It's either using UDP or TCP. The two group of protocol is TCP. Ang TCP ay isang protocol na nagbibigay ng garantiya at ang data ay mapunta sa tamang destinasyon at walang pagkakamali. Si UDP naman ay ang isang protocol ay hindi nagbibigay ng garantiya ng mga data ay napupunta sa destinasyon, ngunit mabilis ito kaysa sa TCP. The third layer is internet layer. Internet layer is sent deliver packets that for the network. This is a layer including the power per internet protocol. It is the addressing resolution protocol and internet control management protocol. Ang internet naman ay layer ay responsible sa pagruta ng data sa pagitan ng mga network gamit ang mga IP address at routing table. Ito ay nagbibigay ng mga pamantayan para sa pagpapadala ng internet. Last is network access layer. Network access layer is responsible for ending in communication between devices across different network without should be not know across internet or any interaction system. Ang network access layer ay responsible sa pag-access sa physical network tulad ng internet or wifi. Ito rin ay nagpapadala ng frame ng data sa physical na network. Ang network access layer ay responsible din sa pag-access sa physical network upang masigurado na ang data ay mapupunta sa tamang devices. Now, question. What is the topic all about? The topic all about is TCP/IP models, which is the fundamental concept of computer networking. It is a cover in different layer the TPC or IP models. Question 2. Why this topic is important for network communications? The topic of TCP models is vital for building and managing troubleshooting network as well ensuring the reliable data transfer and communicating between device. Question 3. How does this topic works? The TPC modern to ensure that data delivering reliably and efficiently using protocol like TCP to generate delivery and ensure the data integrity. Question 3. What are the real-world application of this topic? The real-world application for this topic is TPC model is impact. It is a field of across various industry that aspect in modern life. Question 5. What are the advantage or related to this topic? This topic, the advantage make TCP or IP that fundamental protocol for modern communication network, enabling to related and different data transfer between device and system.